Hey friends, welcome back. And in the Huawei Mobile Services playlist, we are going to see about the toolkits. We are going to explain and understand the features as well as the flexible contents that are available through the toolkits for you from HMS. There are a lot of toolkits and it's close to about 60 toolkits we have, and they are connected to three different aspects. One will help you in development, second for growth, and third for monetization. We are going to pick up the most prominent tools and I'll explain you that very quickly. Not more than 7 minutes is what I need for each of these toolkits. And we will start with the prominent YAML kit. Yeah, YAML is a buzzword and we have been learning a lot on YAML, and I'm going to talk about the YAML toolkit. What is YAML? You know that it's an application of artificial intelligence that provides the systems the clear and the concise ability to automatically learn and to improve from the experience without being explicitly controlled, monitored, or any human intervention is even not required. That is autonomy to the machines. That's all. So we are having a kit, we are having a toolkit which is going to help you in building applications for ML. This is in fact going to have DL as well in depth, and we are calling it ML kit on the whole. Well, the support for Android and iOS is there. Many features are there, and most importantly, even if you are not a machine learning expert, you can start developing apps because we've got APIs and kit available for you, and you can start using it. And it's going to be really very flexible, and it will be mind-blowing once you start using it. I felt so, and you will definitely feel so. There are multiple services provided with the Huawei ML kit: text-related services, language, voice-related, image-related, face, body-related, natural language processing, and most importantly, custom models are also available. You can learn through the complete set of these things by clicking the link that I have given in the description. I'm sure you will be very happy to read it through. There are a lot of exercises available. I'm going to show you some quick demos here. The first one is the text recognition, and React Native is what is used in the system here. And you could see that handwritten text is being recognized, and that's a very simple example. And we can take the handwritten text, printed text, it can be a business card, it can be documents, it can be anything. You get the results immediately and it's real fast. So that's the power of the ML kit. The ML kit is really easy to use, and most importantly, it's accurate as well. And it helps you in building real-time applications. That's most important, isn't it? Well, we get into the next one. We are going to go with the language detection and language translation using ML kit in Flutter. That's really very nice, right? Flutter into HMS ML kit. You'll see some examples here quickly. So we got text, language, and language translation also here. The first one we are going to see here, and it's going to be text recognition. I'm going to do that right now. We have got a very simple example available for you, and I'm uploading the text which is to be recognized, and we'll get the result instantly. TAO. That's all. It's pretty easy. Now we'll go ahead to the second one where we're going to recognize the language. We're going to detect the language, and you could see that here. It is English, Ian. So we can try out different things as well, and it would be really easy for you to build one, provided you learn the usage. And I'm pasting it in Hindi right now, which is Gar, and you can see that you got the result. So it's very simple and easy to use, isn't it? So the next one is going to be pretty interesting as well, where we have the language translate happening. So we will go ahead with home in English, which is nothing but Gar in Hindi. That's all. So we have seen the range of applications that are developed with language translation and language detection here using ML kit. Well, we've got something called as landmark detection. The landmark identification is going to be very useful for people who want to build apps for tourist support stuff. And you could see that here we have been quickly able to recognize the landmark along with the lat and the long details. And this is possible through the ML kit. So we'll get the complete geo coordinates, and that's all happening real time, seamlessly and flawlessly. Well, we are going to have scene detection here. You can see that I can just take a picture and we can start detecting live scene with details. So it will tell you clearly what is the scene, what are the contents of that. Is that a washing machine? Is that a shoe? Is that a watch? What is it? All these can be developed, and these are all available for you. You can develop similar applications, and if you develop one, you can also write an article and push it onto a system so that many people will read it, and you will be really happy to get those kind of recognition out from the readers as well as experts. Well, we've got face and body related services available for you. You can detect the face, you can detect the skeleton detection is there, liveness detection, and most importantly, we can have gesture support as well. We can detect gestures, and finally, we can have face verification. So all this can be used for you to build some application which can be for, say, security, to understand if the person is doing right or not, to understand if the person is healthy or not, to develop a system for gesture recognition and to respond in turn. All these things can be done pretty easily with this face and body related services. Overall, to tell you, this is a really boon available for you, and there's a lot of things that is available inside. And please click the link that is available in the description, and you can learn more from that. And we welcome you to register for the Huawei ID as well. You can register with the link with the QR code that I have given. Also, I will provide you the link in the description, and that will be very easy for you. I hope you have learned something here, and if you have any questions, suggestions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.